ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that has become very powerful. I wanted to see if it could help me create a game like Candy Crush. The rules are simple. ChatGPT provides the code, and I only copy and paste it. To create a game, I needed a game engine, so I used Unity 3D. Then I asked ChatGPT to provide me a plan for 3 days on how to create Candy Crush. And then I started working on it. First, I used Midjourney to generate the board and background for the game. In my game, the candies are swapped with a little plushy animals. With ChatGPT's help, I was able to put all the candies all over the board. At first, all the candies were all the same color. So I asked ChatGPT to create me a script that randomly chooses a candy's color. After some tweaks, it worked perfectly. Then I wanted to do some candy swapping and match detection. ChatGPT provided me some code, but it had some errors. So I asked it to fix it. However, there were still errors and things to implement that he didn't implement. So I asked him to start over and he told me to do a new project. So candy swapping and match detection at the same time was too much for him. First, I asked him to create me a script that will swap the candies. So we need to somehow call the function called candy-clicked, because right now nothing happens. It split out this code, so I asked him what clickable component is. And he told me that it is a function that is defined by the developer, so I don't know if he wants to work on this game anymore. I had to assist him a little bit and refactor the code that he made, but we did it together. And now the candies can be swapped. I found the bug that not adjacent candies can be swapped. So in order to debug it, I asked ChatGPT to create me a quick script that will somehow indicate which candy is currently active. This script changes the sprite color to green. So after some time we fixed the bug. The next day I wanted to create this cool little animation when the candies are swapped, but it came out that this is way harder than I thought, and because of how the game works. But after some time I managed to create the animation. In the next few days I polished the game a little bit, so it looks like this right now. I plan to release this game, so if it will be available on the App Store or Google Play, I will link it in the description. Thank you bro, and till the next time.